the same thing, but with like cool neutrals. I mixed up a couple of bluish grays. So I gotta coat the background first. Watch this.
It's like icing a cake.
Yeah. Except with the corners, I gotta stop it this time. Just a little bit though. That's not bad.
That's so cool.
I found that I tend to have better paintings if I err on the side of too much paint. If that makes sense. Stop it for a second and see what that. Ooh, that's fun.
Very symmetrical.
Yeah, surprisingly.
That was very centered.
Sometimes you do it from corner to corner, don't you? I mean, diagonally. And
Yeah.
then cool.
I don't think I want to lose all the black.
Yeah.
I might stop. I think I want a stripe in the middle though.
So then you ever like just move your card up like like play around in what you have?
Yeah,
Like midway? Like
yeah.
in the,
Well,
you
I
done some
haven't
of
with
that?
the spinning yet, but I do use the swiping a lot when it's not spinning.
Would that dig up the black if you scrape through it now? Or no? Would just go muddy? Sorry, too many
I don't
questions.
know. I don't know what would happen. I think I might have just screwed it up. That happens sometimes.
Only happy accidents, Courtney.
That's right.
The mustache.
Oh, we're getting little white stars in there now. See how,
Yeah.
with
that's
time.
So like, how does that happen? Like the whole resisting thing and like the
So
bubbles,
one
like,
pigment
what's-
is more dense than the other, and it
Okay.
falls through, and for some reason the consistency of it makes it fall through, creating shapes like that. Like I think it clings to itself a little bit, so you get those circular things as it falls through to the bottom layer.
like, stand back.
It's pretty contained, really, yeah.
Yeah, except for that one little spot right there.
That one has the effect more than the others.
Yeah, I lost it on the outside, but it's going on the inside, so I guess I'm okay. I don't know. I'm not as excited about that one as I was the other one. I think I'm going to start doing the swipe off center on purpose. Just because,
So you get that landscape effect.
yeah, I didn't really like the symmetrical.
Thirds rule.
Yeah. Okay,
That
so.
one's got a bit of Star Wars effect to me. Like
It does, yeah, like,
inside the ice
yes.
cave, and you're about to
Like you're
propel
flying
out
into
into.
flying into hyperspace.
Yeah, we're about to go hyperspace on that bad boy.
I see that, yeah.
Yeah.
So before you guys leave, I might have you help with, just let me see how hard it's going to be to switch these bats, because I might need it. Well, one thing I'll say about this spin art technique is that these paintings dry incredibly fast, I guess because the excess paint has been flung off, it's thinner. I painted this at noon, and it is now 4 o'clock. So it's only been 4 hours, and you can see that the surface skin is dry everywhere except for right in the center where that glossy spot is. Also, let me get on a chair and I'll study the shot. Trying not to get too much glare. Sorry, bear with me. I like this one. It definitely has, as my colleague said, sort of a warp drive feel to it. So much glare. But yeah, outer space zooming into the next dimension sort of thing. It's cool. I like it. Like I said, not fully dried, haven't unscrewed the yardstick yet, but hopefully I'll get a dried shot on an easel for you in better lighting here soon. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe. Click the bell icon in order to get more notifications. And don't forget to check out my paintings and my merch like this shirt on hoelscherart.com. Bye. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Did you know I have an Instagram? I do. I update it daily. Lots of new posts on what I'm working on. New ideas and my most current projects. You can keep track of what I'm up to on there. So go and follow me. Check it out.